morning. Today is... What is today, Andy? Can I just check quickly?
I can. Today is... just check.
We're feeding Baba.
Oh, today is... Sunday.
Let me check first. Quickly lang. I'll get my cell phone now. Won't let you touch it. Today is Friday. Oh, Friday na nga. 2nd of May. And it's already 7:37.
Mommy, I was right?
No. Almost. It's Friday. You said Saturday. Ay, Sunday.
No, I said Friday.
I think winter came early. It's just it's just May, but we're already experiencing 3 degree, the lowest. So this morning it's 3 degree lowest, and the peak would be 16, so that's pretty cold. We've got agenda for today. It's we're going back to the hospital to get our Baba's this Baba's hearing test. So because he did not pass his hearing test initially. So we're gonna do that again today. So after we drop off Ate Gab, after that the drop off Ate Gab, Dada's gonna pick us up and we'll go to the hospital. But that's it. We're gonna have brekkie soon. Uy, what are you doing? Kala ko mag-ano kang, ano tawag dito?
Picture.
No, kukuk ka with Dada.
But I don't like it.
I'm so sleepy. Cause Bunso won't sleep on the bed. He wants to sleep on my chest. So I couldn't sleep properly kasi I'm so scared of him falling off my chest. So yes, we're still sleep deprived, but that's okay. Mamaya try natin mag-sleep. Pag umaga, he's okay. Pero hindi din siya nag-sleep sa sa flat surface. It's either buhat siya ni Dada or buhat ko siya.
Me?
Anyway, Pero kagabi, parang ang haba ng stretch nung tulog niya. Nakatulog din naman akong konti. Kaso parang gising-gising ako kasi dito siya sa chest ko. So, check. Lagi ko siyang chine-check kung okay pa ba siya, di pa ba siya nahulog. But he's okay. Kaso nga lang, syempre, you still need to check every time you wake up kung okay lang siya. Kasi, well, I did that kay Gab. This is how we sleep. I'm on my side, tas siya ganito. Pero pagkaalis ko ng dede, Gab would let go and won't wake up. siya, he'll wake up. He really needs your warmth. Maybe because it's cold as well here. Pero like 24 almost 24 hours kaming naka-heater kasi nga ang lamig. And we're in an old house and it's cold inside. Unlike sa lake house, yun dun kila mami, it's kind of warm inside kahit medyo malamig sa labas. But yes, cook na kayo da. Ano ginagawa mo?
Ate, ha? Hey, stop playing. Hey,
Hey,
tara na.
school day today. Lahat eh.
Hey, sorry.
Look at the tree I'm in.
Ay, sorry.
Ow.
Sorry.
The other baba. Baba.
Come, Baba. Baba. Let's go.
Go na. Oh. Why are you kicking?
Hello.
Oh, do not click the... don't touch that. Masira. Go na. Sige na.
Quick.
I'll be so sad if that broke.
That.
Sige na.
Papa, I can't go. Oh, sorry.
Corey, my work is ready, okay?
Yours?
Yeah.
It's already ready. Mom, it's already.
It's not.
This.
Sige na. We're ready. It's our first time to go out after birth. Okay na yung heater?
Yeah, Detroit needed that right there. Harris has been so dependable and reliable, providing the Pistons whatever they need in this series.
Ito na lang yung drop. Nalagyan mo lang. Yung ano na, dali mo yun. Yung Sherpa niya. Paso yung blanket na. Okay, let's see how we go. Sana di siya mag-cry sa car seat.
Ano kaya mo?
Blue book? Yung blue book niya, naman ko. Ano?
Bulto mo. Bonnet. Yan, ganyan lang. Thank you po.
Lagyan mo na yung car seat. Finally get to wear this with a purpose. Let's fold this. Nice. Oh, it fits just right. Mama, let's go. Kasi baka malate pa tayo. Because we're still gonna walk. Ay, ang lamig pala sa labas. Kasi lagi kami naka-heater, so I wouldn't know. It's nice. Sarado ko na to? Ha? Ay, cellphone ko. Up, yeah. Ow. Nakikita mo siya dyan? Check ko kung nakikita ko siya dito. Hindi ko siya nakikita.
Nunuran kita, nunuran.
Larawan.
Nunuran niya may anak.